Hello, welcome to IT Explorations. This is an introductory course at Agora and Destinations Career Academy, where you will be exposed to the different pathways and careers that you could pursue in the world of information technology. So, I'm excited to have you here for our new school year and just wanted to point out a couple of things. Make sure that you check our class announcements each week, as this is where I will be posting our live session schedule and what assignments that you need to do or any reading that you need to do. And just keep an eye on this. It's usually updated every Monday morning. And also, I encourage you to attend our live sessions. Destinations Career Academy is a little different than your traditional classes, and we work together and collaborate on project-based learning. So it's really important that you not only come to class, but you get involved and engaged. And then lastly, I just wanted to share with you, you know, this is the start of a pathway. This is the first course in a pathway that you can choose to explore either a career in programming. We have a networking pathway that you can also pursue. We have web and digital communications as well. So if IT is where you think you want to spend your future, then you are in the right place. So I look forward to seeing all of you in class. And if you have any questions, you can always give me a call or send me an email. I'll see you soon.